Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the theme mode in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is Chrome's menu icon, and clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing and managing your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's main settings page where you can adjust everything from privacy controls to appearance options. The settings page is your hub for personalizing how Chrome looks and behaves, so it's important to familiarize yourself with where it is. Once you're in settings, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical navigation menu with different categories. Click on Appearance. This section specifically controls how Chrome looks visually, including themes, font sizes, and other display preferences. It's the perfect place to customize your browsing experience to match your personal style or reduce eye strain. Now, within the Appearance section, you'll see an option labeled Theme. Click on it to access Chrome's theme customization options. This is where the magic happens, and you can really make Chrome feel like your own. After clicking Theme, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen displaying all available theme options. Here's where you have full control over how Chrome appears. First, you'll notice three primary mode options at the top. You can click Light for a bright traditional look that works well in daytime or well-lit environments. Alternatively, click Dark for a sleek, modern appearance that's easier on the eyes in low-light conditions. There's also a device option, which automatically syncs Chrome's theme with your computer's system settings, switching between light and dark based on your operating system's preferences. But that's not all. Below the mode options, you'll also find a selection of color themes. These allow you to add personality to your browser by choosing different color schemes that match your mood or aesthetic preferences. Simply click on any color theme you like, and Chrome will instantly apply it, changing accent colors throughout the browser interface. And that's it. You've successfully customized Chrome's theme mode to suit your preferences, whether you prefer a classic light look, a modern dark mode, or something with a splash of color. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.